She always knew she was a pop star. Yeah. No, but we didn't know we were famous. Like she's right. I always knew. Yeah. In my head, I was always a pop star. But उस टाइम पे ऐसा paparazzi culture भी नहीं था इतना ज़्यादा, you know, कि किसी को समझ में भी आए कि अच्छा ऐसे होता है.
It would have been more scripted, like she said. It would be more scripted. It would be more trying to evoke some sort of extreme reactions.
It cannot be manufactured, and I think that's why Viva is special. उसमें हमारा हाथ बहुत छोटा है.
Jaवेद Akhtar as a lyricist.
मतलब लोग जब तपस्या करेंगे तब जाके मिलेगा.
We had never seen the inside of a studio, and here we're writing lyrics written by Jaवेद Akhtar साहब.
Step out of the reels, step out of the noise, and say Jai Mata Di. I always say that, and say भगवान कुछ कर दे, please कर दे.
Bollywood took from pop,
Yes.
and then Bollywood developed that sound. So it kind of
Absorbed
like it
it, yeah.
swallowed. Yeah, swallowed.
It sucked away the soul of India.
Followed it.
So I suddenly realized कि okay, from living in a penthouse, मतलब अगर एक image आप visual बनाएंगे तो उससे हम एकदम सड़क पे आ गए हैं. Like मुझे ऐसा लगा था.
Okay, a couple of years ago, she comes to me and she's like, "Have you heard of Guns N' Roses? Do you know how cool they are?" And I'm just looking at her like, "You little atom."
So it was 2002 when they said हमने ये गीत सुनाए and everyone listened. It's 2026 and वो गीत ये फिर से सुना रहे हैं and guess what? The world is listening again. I gotta ask you, now your catalog is out on Kanpur Music. It's streaming. Were you surprised by how obsessed the internet is with Viva? Or were you always confident कि ये तो होना ही है?
It was the catalyst.
Yeah.
It was the. I think I can clearly say that this started because our listeners, our fans who have loved us over the years, were just like, where is the music? Yeah. We grew up on this. This is our childhood, just like it was ours. We grew up with them, and they were like, it's unfair that we can't listen to this. I need to make my kids hear what I was listening to like 20 years ago, dude. Like, where is it? So I think that was a catalyst for us to.
And the fact that what's the oddest place that you've gotten like now it's DM, no longer fan mail, from the oddest place in the world that people were listening to your music?
Oh my gosh.
You know, I was in downtown New York. This is a couple of years ago. And randomly someone came up to me, like this young boy who was working as a server in this restaurant. And he said, "Oh my God, you're from Viva." I was like, wow. What?
Were you
And
even
it was,
born then? Like,
yeah, I was like, first of all, how do you know? And, you know, it was so far away from home. But
We all had
you only had shared this story with us when you had gone to play for or you're shooting a music video somewhere in Northeast, and you were in a dhaba or one of those small where you had eat Maggie or something, like one of those kind of places. And that's where you heard the music, and that's what actually got the conversation
going. Yeah, you
going.
sent us a video actually of that. Do you remember?
Wow.
You were in like, I think, not Bhutan, no, I wouldn't say Bhutan. I think it was one of the... Ladakh, I think.
No, Assam maybe would have been Assam or it would have been Arunachal Pradesh.
You were in like a hilly area.
Yeah, must be Arunachal only.
Yeah, and like random, I think we all have random places. Yeah. I was at the Hong Kong airport waiting for my bag. And, you know, just off a flight, you know how you look. And there is this...
lovely as always.
Very.
But yeah, like people would just... I'm like, and this is Hong Kong. Like, they've lived in Hong Kong their whole lives. And they're like, yeah, we grew up with your whatever.
That's like music transcends borders. That's how it is. It's
insane.
Universal.
Yeah.
Going back to your beginnings, Asma came after you. They knew what they were getting into. Absolutely. You guys had no idea what it was. You had no idea what Popstars was, except that it was in Channel V.
Absolutely.
When did you first realize, oh my God, this is a big deal? Neha, I'll ask with you. Like, when did you first realize you were a pop star?
She always knew she was a pop star. Yeah. No, but we didn't know we were famous. Like, she's right. I always knew, in my head, I was always a pop star, but
now we are famous as Viva. I think for me there were two instances. The first one was still unreal because we were on stage together. And there was so much chaos in the first show. Right. Not like in terms of us, but in terms of even I think Delhi में पहला इतना बड़ा show हो रहा था.
50,000 fans.
हाँ, तो मतलब जब first चीजें होती हैं तो बहुत chaos होता है because everyone's trying to figure it out. People were breaking barricades. We were getting mobbed. A lot was happening. तो तब इतना ध्यान नहीं जा रहा था कि इसलिए हो रहा है क्योंकि हम famous हैं. तब सिर्फ emotions आ रहे थे. बट मैंने कल भी शायद एक इंटरव्यू में बात बताई थी कि मुझे पहली बार इंडिविजुअली तब रियलाइज हुआ था जब मैं जीके मार्केट में एज निहाई घूम रही थी अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, और मेरे फ्रेंड मुझसे दूर चल रहे थे बिकॉज सब मुझे घूर रहे थे, एंड दैट्स द फर्स्ट टाइम आई वाज विदाउट देम, राइट? सो आई वाज लाइक, साथ में होते अब्सॉर्ब हो जाता है थोड़ा, पता नहीं लगता, अकेले
Yeah.
चल मैंने बोले क्या हो गया भाई, ये क्यों ऐसे, लाइक किसी मार्केट में तो हम चप्पल पहन के घूमते थे, सब ऐसे क्यों घूर रहे? देन आई रियलाइज ओके दिस हैज गॉन बियॉन्ड अस नाउ,
Yeah.
बट देन ऑल्सो इतनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं थी, मतलब पता नहीं, हम स्टूपिड थे शायद, हम बहुत यंग
बहुत
थे,
young थे।
क्या था आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज इट, हम लोग को कभी ऐट नहीं आई इस बात की, हम लोग को कभी ये चुल नहीं थी कि हम फेमस हैं,
Yeah.
बिकॉज हम इतनी जगहों में मॉब हुए हैं, बट हम लोगों को नहीं, आई डोंट थिंक वी रियलाइज्ड इट, लाइक इट टुक अस अ रियली लॉन्ग, मे बी मेनी इयर्स आफ्टर टू रियलाइज दैट
So you were always grounded, or what?
वी वर मेड टू बी ग्राउंडेड आल्सो, हम लोग को हर रोज गालियां पड़ती थी, तो हम लोग को पता ही नहीं था कि हम लोग इतने बड़े हो गए हैं, whatever. See, we knew that the show has done very well, we knew our albums have done very well, but I think I speak for all four of us, we never thought कि हम इतने बड़े हुए हैं,
Yeah,
like,
no.
कि
उस टाइम पे ऐसा पापराजी कल्चर भी नहीं था
Right,
इतना ज्यादा,
right.
यू नो, कि किसी को समझ में भी आए कि अच्छा ऐसे होता है।
Right. और उस समय Instagram नहीं था that you would see your millions of followers
You
and
didn't
all
have
that.
cameras.
Exactly.
You
मुझे लगता
weren't
है
holding
अच्छी बात
cameras
है।
in
अच्छी
your
बात
I
hands.
think अच्छी बात है.
Yeah, it was.
You were reality stars before reality TV was a word.
Yeah.
We used to call them talent shows because they were more
Yes.
about talent back then. But let's not diss anyone.
Also, they were on a set, na? This was not on a set, so it was
This-
actually a
This
reality.
was
हाँ.
our actual life.
This
They
was
were-
actual
It
reality.
was
In
the
our
first
homes.
reality show of the country, actually.
It was
It was.
real in the truest terms.
Yeah.
Do you think it would have been different had it been now? Had Viva been forming
100%,
today in the age of social media and
100%.
whatever? What?
More scripted. for
How-
It would have been
how-
more scripted, like she said. It
More
would be more
scripted.
scripted.
More
It will be
manipulated,
more
more
trying to evoke some sort of extreme reactions. It's the truth, and that's what gets eyeballs, and it'll be very clickbaity. That's the word.
Do you think you would have still been the top 4, 5?
I don't think I'll be part of the show only. I would not have lasted it out. I don't think so. I have the temperament for it.
Right. That's a different
That's also
ballgame
older
altogether.
now.
If you're asking-
But
No, but
No, but-
that's what he's asking.
If
If
you're
it was
asking
today,
2026
today,
us,
there's no way.
No, not 2026. You're 2002 you, but in 2026 show.
2026.
It's not
Yeah.
possible to imagine that,
I
na? Like,
probably-
Yeah,
we
I
are
don't
not
think-
2026 kids. Like,
I don't think, like, I feel like there was a lot of sensitivity that all of us had. There was a kind of
Vulnerability,
and we
yeah.
were, in some sense, because we were not exposed to what currently
Right.
artists are exposed to. I think we were, in some sense, from that protected, and it
Very
allowed us
insulated,
also
yeah.
to be who we were, to be like truly fearlessly ourselves. I don't know if today
and also
it would
not
have
just
been.
from a maker's point of view as to trying to get some kind of extreme reaction. I also feel even the people who are trying to be part of a show,
Right.
even they come very prepared.
Oh yeah, much
They
much
come,
prepared,
they
yeah.
are so prepared. They also try and talk about stuff or do stuff to just just get those eyeballs.
Yeah.
So everything seems very planned now.
Planned.
It's not organic.
It's not organic
yeah,
at all.
you guys are very real. And
Yeah.
that's
Like,
what I
Because
think.
we didn't know, there was no benchmark.
Yeah,
there was
a
nothing to
blueprint.
compare ourselves to. There was
Yeah.
no show ever done like this before.
Yeah.
So we didn't know.
You were the blueprint, pretty
Yeah,
much.
so exactly.
It came
So,
after you, and then people realized how it
so-
can be tweaked into other things.
Yeah.
so like we were talking that the crew of pop stars was apparently handpicked by Deepak Dhar.
Right.
From different walks of life who had shot maybe a concert or something. I mean, they had not done reality. They were
Right.
doing
Yeah.
on ground concerts.
But there was no reality TV before
Yeah.
you.
वही
Huh? That's
ना,
also
yeah,
true.
कभी नहीं पता था।
सब सीख ही रहे थे साथ साथ में।
हाँ.
They were actual
See,
like
when things happen organically, I think this is what I feel like as a not as an artist, but as a child when I was taken by any artist or any movement. I think most movements are organic, and that's why they become a movement. Movement has to be that a collective consciousness which has to come from a natural feeling.
Manufactured
It can
नहीं हो
never,
सकता.
no, it cannot be engineered. It cannot
Yeah.
be manufactured, and I think that's why Viva is special. उसमें हमारा हाथ बहुत छोटा है. It is a movement क्योंकि हम उसका एक हिस्सा थे और वो एक कल्चरल मूवमेंट था. जब कल्चरल मूवमेंट बन जाता है कोई चीज जहाँ पूरी कंट्री आपको अडॉप्ट करती है,
Yeah,
you know,
Yeah.
when it
Bigger-
becomes
bigger than
special.
you.
Yeah,
Yeah, so I
it's-
think वो हमको नहीं समझ आया था तब.
I think that is also the reason that so many reality talent shows happened after you guys, and many of the winners, they didn't have that longevity. They didn't have that relevance today. Many of the other runners-up and finalists do. They have successful careers in as well, but they don't have that recall value. That last week when I got the message for Viva, I was like, wait, what? I need to be there. Probably wouldn't do that for a lot of other talent show winners because of the organic thing. What do you feel? For you?
I think it's especially for millennials.
Yeah.
It's a moment in time,
Right.
right? Like whenever we've posted anything, there's always been people commenting underneath, like reminding each other, tagging each other. Do you
Yeah.
remember that time? Oh, you know, when we were doing this together, we were dancing, we were dressing up as them.
Yeah.
We were, and I feel like it's a moment of time that's kind of frozen there, and we are always able to transport people back there because there's such a strong association of that. And it was such an innocent time for people our age because we were all very
Right.
young at
Yeah,
that
yeah,
time.
yeah.
So when it takes us back there, it's like this reminder of our innocence, of our childhood, of the time that everything was
The
so
good
much
times.
simpler,
Yeah.
you know. So I feel like that nostalgia that's attached to us, that's I think what keeps people with, of course, the music as well.
Right.
But I think that's what keeps people connected to us like this.
But
Yeah.
आपने कहा ना novelty sorry
Sorry,
no,
I
you
was just
speak.
adding to what she was saying. Along with that, I also feel there's been a first move advantage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Probably.
so that has always added to it. So the recall value, like you were talking about, is extremely high because of that. Because they hadn't seen anything like this before ever.
But then it is also because of your music.
Absolutely,
Because
that's what I'm
you
saying.
sustained
It
that. Otherwise,
has
it could have, yeah.
That's why
Otherwise,
it
it
was
could have just
not
fizzled
some.
out.
Yeah, it was a album which was really cut above all the other stuff that was coming out
Ahead
that
of
time.
its time.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
who has Javed Akhtar as a lyricist
हाँ,
on
मतलब
their
लोग
first
मतलब
ever?
तपस्या करेंगे तब जाके मिलेगा
जब
शायद.
हम
नहीं
लोग-
मिलता तब भी.
We have never seen the inside of a studio, and here we're writing lyrics written by Javed Akhtar Saab and singing to like stalwarts of the industry at that time
At that
already.
time, yeah, when you were like 20,
So
19,
we were
20, all of
blessed.
you.
Yeah.
It's insane.
That was manufactured for you. The
Yeah,
the
that
album.
part was,
That
of
part
course.
But
was.
again, I think because ये उन्होंने भी कभी नहीं किया था
हाँ.
जिन्होंने ये शो बनाया तो उन्होंने भी क्या किया बेस्ट ऑफ द बेस्ट
Best,
को लाया
yeah.
और ये नहीं सोचा ये चलेगा नहीं चलेगा ये सोचा यार कुछ बेस्ट करते हैं
Yeah.
इंटेंशन हो कुछ ग्रेट करते हैं कुछ बेस्ट करते हैं कुछ एकदम ऐसा ट्रेंड सेटिंग करते हैं तो जब वो इंटेंशन होती है तो फिर जो लोग सारे जुड़ते हैं वो फिर सही से ही जुड़ते हैं
Yeah.
फिर क्या होता है सेकंड थर्ड आते हैं ना फिर वो अच्छा यार वी नीड टू रिपीट हिस्ट्री
Repeat,
वी नीड टू
right.
रिपीट
Yeah. 'Cause
सक्सेस स्टोरी
We were the template.
कोई फॉर्मूला नहीं है ना लोग
No,
बोलते हैं
अभी और क्या हो गया ना अभी इतना क्लटर भी हो गया है. There's so much clutter that how do you actually then it's only if you by chance find something that connects with you maybe you stick on to it but even the attention span has changed that you're so quick to go to the next thing this is of no interest to me I want to watch something
15
else.
seconds. that's
Even
it.
listen like हम लोग म्यूजिक अभी रील्स में सुनते हैं ना 30 seconds का कट
But
That's
even
what I'm coming
it's so
back to.
sad.
The
even
music
pop
is-
stars per week versus web series.
Yeah,
like now you
exactly.
will binge watch.
now
through
you
the
binge
night.
watch the whole thing.
You are making music for that 15-second hook now,
Yeah.
not as
Yeah.
melodies and songs that will
Absolutely.
stay video.
Absolutely.
How does that make you feel?
I don't do it, so I don't.
I know, of course, you
Not
don't. None of you do it.
No,
That's why I'm
none of us
asking
do
you.
it, so-
I mean, it you know
They're still old
it is
school.
it is what it is. It's the current trend right now, and I mean, it's what it is. There's no attention. I mean, there's no attention. I mean, people have zero attention span. So, and I'm saying even me
Yeah.
actually because I mean now I have a
don't know,
cell
last
phone.
time I've read
like-
a book actually.
I mean, I
You know?
read, but yeah,
No, I still
mean,
don't. I don't read. I read like 4 lines and then I look at my phone again.
Yeah,
Exactly.
I know.
That's
You
the
wake
problem.
up
So it's
and
not
you
like
look at
I
your
don't
phone.
read, but I'm not reading
Your
how
alarms
I
are from your
used
phone.
to.
Everything's on a phone now.
Yeah.
Everything.
we are on our phones while watching.
I
a
don't-
movie
I don't
together.
Yeah,
mind.
there
You
are
have
times.
electric
I don't need my
disease,
anything.
that's for
Yeah,
sure.
yeah.
But I do feel, but you're, I don't know, मुझे ऐसे लगता है when you're making art, you have to, it's difficult, it's very demotivating also, डर भी लगता है, पैसे भी बहुत waste होते हैं, कई बार वीडियो बना लो महंगे. But then I think कुछ इतने सालों बाद करने का मुझे एक ही चीज़ feel होती है कि don't make it because you want people to listen, make it because you want to say it.
Ah.
And I think as long as that's happening, the purity remains. And someday the song, ऐसे आज भी आप विवा की बात कर रहे हो,
Yeah.
वैसे ही जो म्यूजिक आज भी हम बना रहे हैं या जो आर्टिस्ट बना रहे हैं, आई थिंक वो तभी कट थ्रू करेगा फॉर लॉन्जिविटी जब वो दिल से आया होगा.
Right.
ये तो सच बात है, ये तो कुछ भी बोलो कायनात तो जुड़ेगी ही उस बात को, पर उसके लिए बहुत स्टेप अवे करना पड़ता है. इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट बट यू हैव टू स्टेप आउट ऑफ द रील्स, स्टेप आउट ऑफ द नॉइज and say Jai Mata Di. I
do
always
your
say
thing.
that and say Bhagwan kuch kar de please, kar de. You know, after you've
Right.
released it.
Yeah.
But when you're making it, you have to be like, I need to say this.
Right.
Whatever it is.
I need to applaud you guys for one thing, that for the longest time, before the 90s, India mein music was film music. And then indie pop happened. and you guys came in the middle of
Yes.
the peak of that when
Almost
it was
towards the end of it,
towards
actually.
the end. But yeah, I get it. The late
we
90s
were
to
at
the
the
early 2000s was the peak of
peak
it, and then
peak.
the remixes started,
Yes,
and of course
absolutely.
that took over. What was it like to be independent female musicians, barely out of your teens, in an industry that only considered Bollywood music as true music? Was that difficult?
You know, sorry, I'm
No,
I'm
go
taking
ahead.
a little. We didn't know this fact. We just like we were part of a contest. We won, and we knew we could sing. And we were like, yeah. Then we were just following what they had planned, mapped out for us. Yeah, I mean, at least me personally, I didn't think of like, oh, this is a Bollywood-led industry, and now we are breaking into it, and we are like the first female. Da, da, da. Nope.
I think it was the other way around though. At that point of time, there was actually a pretty solid indie pop industry, and after that, it kind of shifted. Like Bollywood, basically, the sound of Bollywood took from pop,
Yes.
and then Bollywood developed that sound. So it kind of
Absorbed
like it
it, yeah.
swallowed. Yeah, swallowed.
It
is such a
sucked away
negative.
the soul of
Anyway,
indie
yeah,
pop.
No,
swallowed
you're
it.
right, swallowed it.
There was a 10-year
Devoured
gap,
it, yeah.
swallowed it,
Exactly.
Yeah, yeah.
Exactly.
Because you're right, that sound went to film albums, and suddenly audience just wants a sound.
And
Yeah.
if you
Yeah.
notice
Yeah.
a trend around that time, every movie would have a song and a music video which was not really part of the movie.
Nothing.
It was just a promotional song which was shot like a music video, and like
yeah.
and not item, like a,
No,
like
item
a
nahi,
music
she's right.
video, like
There-
you know.
The item
there were
was-
movies where it was a killer and a victim, but
But
in the
end में
music
नाच
video
रहे
they're
सब.
dancing
Like
together.
it's a
Time पे
time
सब नाच रहे हैं.
Like it's a
Yeah.
time to discover.
Yeah. So
Exactly.
So it
Without-
didn't make sense
was-
because actually it killed the indie pop industry.
Yeah.
And also the singers, Shan, Alisha Chinoy, they pulled all the singers from the indie pop industry into the Bombay Vikings. Like everyone eventually was singing
And
it.
they all
Mohit Chauhan.
were
Bollywood
doing
gave you more
indie
fame,
pop
so it's giving
versions.
bigger reach,
all of
so
them.
everybody
Yeah.
like
That's
छोड़ो ये क्या
also-
ऑनेस्टली बैंड जब खत्म हो गया ना तब ये मुझे तो रियलाइजेशन हुई जो आप बोल रहे हो क्योंकि तब तक तो हमें कुछ पता ही नहीं था अभी तक तो हमें लगा था
we
हम
were
सब
very
कुछ
protected, insulated.
एग्जैक्टली सो जब अपने आप काम ढूंढने गए तब मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि बॉलीवुड में तो हम तो बॉलीवुड सिंगर हैं नहीं हम ट्रेंड ही नहीं है बिकॉज टू बी अ बॉलीवुड सिंगर देयर हैज टू बी लाइक अ प्रॉपर प्लेबैक की एक तालीम होती है उसकी ये नहीं कि खड़े हो गए माइक के पीछे कुछ भी गा रहे हो
अब नहीं है लेकिन वो ना.
हाँ अब नहीं तब
अब-
बहुत
तब
स्ट्रांग था तब बहुत स्ट्रांग था एंड उसके बाद ये है कि लेबल्स के बाद जाओ तो लेबल्स वीवा हाँ ठीक है पर तुम कौन यू नो
Sorry.
इट वाज
No.
नेहा वीवा अनुष्का वीवा
It was
महुआ वीवा
true. Yeah.
सो आई सडनली रियलाइज कि ओके फ्रॉम लिविंग इन अ पेंट हाउस मतलब अगर एक
हाँ.
इमेज आप विजुअल बनाएंगे तो उससे हम एकदम सड़क पे आ गए लाइक मुझे ऐसा लगा
Yeah.
था 4 5 6 साल आई वाज डूइंग सम स्मॉल शोज और व्हाटएवर तब ये रियलाइजेशन हुई थी कि अच्छा ये हम पॉप के एंड में आए हैं और हमारे साथ नॉट हमारे वजह से हमारे साथ पॉप खत्म हो चुका है सो नाउ यू आर लाइक you're a history at 21 like basically or 20 like this is how I felt at that time so there was a long this vacuum gap you're talking about you know to be on paper it's only during COVID that indie pop if you want to call it indie pop now they just call it like
Indie.
Independent music.
independent music
indie,
has
yeah.
come back with a bang in terms of streaming numbers otherwise उससे पहले नहीं हो रहा था आज actually independent music Bollywood से streaming ज़्यादा कर रहा है you know but it's taken that much longer you know
And a global pandemic.
yeah and if you did if
Yeah,
you,
exactly.
दो हम अब सब ने कुछ बॉलीवुड गाए and all but to be the Bollywood singer you had to have that versatility you had to like वो सब तो हम उसके ट्रेंड ही नहीं थे हम तो पॉप स्टारडम के लिए ट्रेंड थे कि अपने खुद के गाने लिखेंगे गाएंगे वो खत्म ही हो गया था ये क्या होता है भाई आप गाओ we'll call you for a sitting we'll teach you the song and you just sing it and you go home and then you are the biggest Bollywood singer or whatever so I don't know there was this huge vacuum which was very disheartening at least for me मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगा था कि मेरा करियर शुरू होने से पहले खत्म हो गया है
But then how do you sustain? Like all of you must have had similar thoughts, if not the same.
I had a slightly, maybe a little bit of a different experience because someone randomly called me and said, "Are you that girl from Viva who sang that second verse of that song in the second album?" And it was a Tamil song.
Hats off to the person listening, first of all. Yeah.
I was like, "What?" I was freaked out because
Yeah.
had never done any playback singing
Right.
before, and I think out of all four of us, if you had to say one person who's definitely never going to do playback, it would have been me. But I went in to do that song, and then it started, like
Right.
this this work started
this
happening
work,
for me.
Work gets you work.
And
huh?
at that point, I realized that I was a different voice in the industry, and that's why I got a space to sing.
Right.
You know, I was doing Tamil, I was doing Telugu, I was doing like the Bollywood stuff, and I had, like she said, I had no idea what I was doing behind the mic. Like I have gone to recordings and I have just prayed, like, oh my God, please, like help me to stay in key, like help me to deliver what the music directors want. You know, so that I can, and it was like learning on the job, because we had sung together, but we were always it was
Yeah.
always together.
Always,
It
always
was never-
complimenting each other.
Yeah, never alone on my own.
Yeah.
And I think that I think at that point there were only like 6-7 singers in the industry that used to get work, but there was a turning point. I think right after I started singing, I realized that there was more, like I was always called a westernized
I know.
voice.
They put you in that box, but that worked for you.
You know,
for a
and
while.
it was fine. But then there was a turn, and then from then, when there were like 7-8 female playback singers, cut to 10 years later, and I spoke about this earlier, Indian Singers Royalty Association was formed.
Yeah.
There was a group on WhatsApp. They had to make 2 groups for Bombay. Because 250 was the maximum number of singers that could be on a group. That's how many singers were there. So there was an explosion that happened, you know, at like, and I think the industry.
reality shows में तो हो गए थे ना,
हाँ,
many of them
it
came from
opened
there.
up for
But
people.
was there quality?
No, not that.
I mean,
if you're singing a song a year, that's not a career. Okay. So like
But
when you
a
do
lot
an
of-
album,
yeah.
when you do an album in 2 years, it's a career. You know what I'm saying? Like, for example, when we were writing our own music or doing something, you do that music, you tour the country or you whatever. That's what worldwide happens.
But you're
With
right.
Bollywood,
Playback,
unless
हाँ.
you're doing numbers,
100 songs a year,
you know what I'm
something like
saying?
that.
You're not like it's a and वो करना भी नहीं था. मतलब मेरा point है कि you should be able to choose.
Yeah, exactly.
Today, like I'm saying, at least you can make that choice. That आपको Bollywood करना है या आपको ये
Yeah.
करना है.
In the
आपको
middle,
दोनों
you don't
करना
have
है.
that choice.
Exactly.
Yeah, I mean today, honestly, touch wood, I only live off the royalties of my own music. You know, even if I don't do shows for हाँ, but 15-20 साल के
I know,
बाद.
I know.
So I'm saying, but आज वो opportunity है singers के पास.
yeah, you can choose for
तब
yourself.
ऐसा हो गया था कि मतलब राह एकदम बदल गई थी. मतलब कि it was like what
right.
happened, like it was a little difficult. That phase was difficult. I'm so happy times have turned for people and you can actually make that choice today कि आपको single गाना है, आपको album गाना है,
Right.
आपको Bollywood में गाना है, आपको collaboration करनी है. वो
You have
opportunity,
all the
there is a space for people. Yeah, for
I'll
sure.
end it on a positive and hopeful note, because now your songs are out there streaming. Let's say people who were not even born when Viva was formed, they will discover it because streaming पे इतना easy होता है. What do you think? What do you hope a 16-15-year-old discovering a Viva song for the first time feels? Starting with you, Anushka.
I think we were asked this question earlier.
Oh, you did?
I think it would be a sense of empowerment.
Okay, yeah.
I
For
think
you?
that's what it is.
See, for me, music is timeless. So I feel like good music should be discovered irrespective of who are the singers behind it, who are the producers behind it, who are the writers behind it. I still listen to 1960s ka music also.
Yeah.
So I feel like the new generation should just know that, you know, this, like how we knew कि हमसे पहले भी बढ़िया काम हो रहा था. So they should know कि उनसे पहले भी बढ़िया काम हो रहा था, and it's just take that as an inspiration and keep moving forward.
Baba?
Well, there was some cool stuff happening in the early noughties, and we were a part of that. And that I hope they find, you know, one or more track that resonates with them. And yeah,
Leaning on
just
the more.
enjoy, stream, play it on full volume. Yeah, enjoy.
Yeah, ditto to all what they said. See, the special part about both the albums is that it's a very complete album.
Yeah.
And like Mama was just saying, there is a song for each one of the person listening or, you know, just chancing upon it. And if you make that connect, I think so automatically the love will keep growing. So that's the main thing. So the new audience hopefully will find a song which speaks to them, probably which resonates with them, with what they're going through in life or whatever. Because there are songs today when I listen about in the album and I'm like, this song is kind of making sense with what happened to me 4 years later.
Can I tell
But
you?
that
Yeah.
time
Yeah.
did not.
You know, like, sorry, I'm just this thought just came to my brain. Like my niece, okay, a couple of years ago, she comes to me and she's like, "Have you heard of Guns N' Roses? Do you know how cool they are?" And I'm just looking at her like, "You little atom." Okay, so I hope that happens as well. Probably this new generation
I
that
hope someone
listens,
comes up to me
and they
and
go to
says,
their parents and
"Have
"Have you heard of Jago Zara, Mum?" And
Yeah.
they'll be like, "Yeah."
It will happen. It will happen.
You
That's
know?
why I said ना music shouldn't have हमको जाके ये मतलब मुझे ये sorry पर मुझे ये question ही offensive लगता है कि Gen Z हमसे क्या लेगी Gen Z हम हर generation से कुछ ले रहे हैं
Yes.
और that is just doesn't matter. Billie
Yeah.
Holiday is not selling her music to me, but I'm still listening to her.
Yeah.
Like, you know, music doesn't need to be sold. It's there out in the universe. Whoever has to grab it will just grab it and find some relevance to it. Doesn't matter what age that is.
Absolutely.
ये आजकल हो गया है कि करंट म्यूजिक सुनने का ही वो है. हमें तो पता भी नहीं होता था कि
कब का गाना है.
जो आर्टिस्ट हमें पसंद है उनकी क्या एज है, वो
Right.
कब पैदा हुए थे, उनकी शादी हुई कि नहीं. We didn't do it. Like we didn't care. Like you know, it doesn't matter.
Doesn't
Like what matters is the music. Unless कोई criminal है तो अलग बात है. But you know, like then with the ideology matters. But it doesn't matter. He has 6 children or no children. You know, or they're 40 or 60 or 100. Like as long as the music is good, just enjoy it. Yeah.
And like you said, Viva Forever. So that's
Absolutely.
how it will stay.
Absolutely.
I have been told I'm run out of time. Otherwise, we'll just keep on talking. But thank you for this.
Thank
and
you.
on behalf of everyone who was born in the 90s, thank you for just sitting in the same room with me. The 13-year-old me, as I said before the interview, is extremely happy, and as is the 36-year-old me.
Amazing.
Thank you so much.
Love that.
Thank you so much.